Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about health benefits of green leafy vegetables. Firstly, we start with nutritional content of leafy green veggies. Number 1. Packed with vitamins. All leafy green vegetables have abundant of vitamins, especially vitamin A, K, E and vitamin C, and beta-carotene and folate. Number 2. High mineral content. Minerals like iron, magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and sodium can be added to your diet by eating leafy green veggies. Number 3. Rich in dietary fibers. Green leaves have good dietary fibers which makes you satisfied after you consume them. Number 4. Low fat content. These leafy green veggies save you from consuming fats and lipids, as they have zero fat content. Secondly, we'll discuss here health benefits of green veggies. Number 1. Calories. One of the best benefit of leafy green veggies is that they are low in calories, and despite often dense in nutrients. Number 2. Vitamin K. Leafy green veggies are always included in weight loss because they are rich in vitamin K. Number 3. Disease prevention. These leafy green veggies are really good at disease prevention, for example, anemia, poor eyesight, constipation, weak bones and cancer.